Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Angela. I'm 5 years vocational student in business administration. In this video we are going to give a amount of help to the people we have in the table, and they use two condition. It's a two condition. If we one condition and two condition. If we have one children, they give use on 100 euros, and if we have two or more children, they will have use is a 200, and if one of two are mixed with will not be given and any money. Okay, it's a click on paint, and it's the formula. Okay, to continue, we are going to make the formulas in paint, and we will begin writing of b2 equal 1 zone and arrow we put through. We will give 100 euros, and another arrow we will put leave if it's greater or equal than 2, and we put 200 true, and or if not meet is a 0 euros. Okay, let's continue with the formula. They will be equal to equal if b2 is open the parentheses, b2 is equal 1 children semicolon, and we open another is children semicolon on 100 euros, and is a semicolon, and we open another one. We click and if I click open the put the parentheses, and put b2 is greater than 2 children 200 is a click is a semicolon is 200, and is a semicolon 0 euros, and close the parentheses 2 and close the parentheses 1. And go to exercise. Okay, let's write the formula in Excel exercise, and let's do it. We put equal has copy and the formula, and if we open the parentheses, we put equal to a till comma 100 euros, and if open the parentheses, b2 is greater or equal to 2 children, we have 200, and semicolon, and 200 euros or 0 euros. Okay, and we close the parentheses and click on enter, and there we will the use to the people will be okay, one moment. It's a 100 euros, and the people we will be given to 200. Okay, and it's the exercise Exer03, and so much for today's video. I hope you like for subscribe and the most the videos.